when they go inside, the buckle have a gun. Have a gun. Take off.
I'm gonna put this one. Only this one, sir. Then you
Put
hold
this
that.
one here also up.
Okay. On the left side, sir, because it's too hot. What nationality are you, sir?
Jordan.
Jordan?
Jordan, yes.
Okay. Like Muslim?
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Are you Muslim too?
No. My neighbor is Muslim.
What?
My neighbor is Muslim.
Great. That's
I always heard that. Them.
Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum assalam.
It's like peace be with you, right?
What?
It's like peace be with you.
Yeah.
You're just visiting here, sir, or you live here?
No, I live here.
You live here?
Yeah.
For how long?
I study here.
For how long, sir?
4 years.
4 years. So you know,
I'm a student here.
you're a student here?
Yeah.
What school, sir?
What?
What is your school?
Not here in Subic.
In Subic?
Yeah.
At Zambales?
Yeah.
It's too far.
Yeah, but what should we do?
But you live here? At
No, I
Makati?
live there in Subic.
At Subic?
But I just came here just for my friends.
Okay. And you know Tagalog a little bit?
No, not just the bad word.
Just what?
The bad word.
The bad word, putang ina.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, like
Son of a bitch, this one.
son of a bitch, that's what it's mean.
This one, yeah.
You know Mapogi? Pogi.
Bogi?
Pogi.
Bogi is beautiful.
Ay, handsome.
Yeah, handsome.
Pogi.
Maganda for the girl.
Maganda, beautiful. That's for girl.
Yeah,
And
for the girl.
Pogi for the boy,
Bogi for
handsome.
the boy, yeah.
Yes. You married here? No.
What?
You married?
No, not yet.
Oh, not yet.
That's better.
You
Because
look-
the girl always hidden.
Oh, you looking for Filipino or other?
For me, it's fine.
Filipina is fine for you.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah.
Okay. A lot of Filipina at Subic
Yeah.
because there's a lot of resort there.
Yeah, there's a lot there. But I think the best girl in Philippines here in Pampanga.
Pampanga, there are
There's a lot of beautiful there.
yes, a lot of beautiful there and best cookers.
Yeah, best couple.
Yes. They cook a lot of dishes.
Here in Makati. More than
Pampanga.
in Pampanga. In
Pampanga.
Angeles, in Angeles, that's very bad place.
Angeles,
Like here,
Pampanga.
Burgos. You know Burgos?
Yes, Burgos.
Yeah, same like Burgos.
Been there? At Burgos?
Yeah.
There's a place same at Burgos.
Not very good. Yeah, it's very bad. Because all the bakla there.
I'm lady boy.
Yeah, fuck them.
Just like lady boy.
Yeah, lady boy, bakla.
Bakla.
Yeah.
A lot of lady boy there. Also, a lot of lady boy.
Yeah, that's very weird.
Yes.
Man should to be have a girl, not a lady boy.
Yes.
What should to be doing you? Fuck you.
Yes.
Fuck off. Right?
I always heard that on my Muslim friend.
Yeah. Actually, in Muslim country there is no bakla there.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why.
That's
Even if there is some of bakla, but not like that.
that's haram.
Yeah, haram. It's not allowed to go outside and to do what they do here. They,
Oh,
in our country, they will kill them all.
the
Yeah,
lady
it's
boy.
not allowed, yeah.
Oh.
Because they do a lot of bullshit. You can do whatever you want to do, but not like that. Right?
Not like that.
Yeah, not like that.
Yes. I always heard that on my friend. That's haram.
Yeah. That's haram. It's not allowed in our country. You know, my country is open country, like here in Philippines. We respect the religion, we respect the people, they adapt us for everything like that, but not like that. When they, this kind of shit, they do that in our country, that is not legal at all.
That's not legal at all.
No, not legal at all.
Oh, it's not the same on Qatar?
No. Qatar it's allowed, Dubai it's allowed.
Allowed on
Yeah.
that, right?
Yeah, no, but my country not like Qatar, not like Dubai, not like Saudi. Saudi is not allowed at all, same like my country.
Also,
Saudi, it's close country.
so they're just keeping it. Because I have a friend, lady boy. He's only Saudi and he what you call in this one? He's not allowed to dress like bakla there.
Yeah, it's not allowed. Yeah, even if he bakla, he cannot go outside like a bakla. When he go outside, he will be like a man.
Okay.
You got it? Yeah. When he come back in his room, it's fine. He can do whatever he want to do.
But not on the outside.
Outside he cannot. Yeah,
Oh.
cannot do like what they do here in Burgos. They cannot.
He might be get in jail.
Yeah, they put him in jail direct. But
Okay.
right now everything changed, you know. All the world changed. I think after 2 years everything is gonna be allowed in our country.
Here at Philippines, same-sex marriage is not yet legal eh. There's no same-sex
About
marriage
what?
here. Same-sex marriage like bakla to bakla.
It's not
legal.
allowed.
It's not
Yeah,
legal.
that's better. Yeah, that's better.
'Cause
But they do that. They don't care about that.
they don't care about that. Because in Bible or in Quran,
I read the Bible in the Christian and Catholic.
girl is for boy,
Yeah.
boy is for girl.
They not allowed for Christian, for Catholic, for Muslim. It's not allowed to marry girl, man. It's not allowed. In all religion.
But a lot of foreigners on Burgos, they what you call them this one? They get lady boy there.
Yeah, because you know.
But I don't see.
16% of them they don't know this kind of if this bakla or not bakla.
They don't know.
But yeah, they don't know. But if you live here in Philippines, you can know this. You talk with someone bakla or not bakla.
Okay.
But if you not live here, you know all the bakla beautiful, right? Because they do a lot of fucking surgery.
A lot of
Surgery, yeah. They
trans-
make a bobs, they make ass, they make everything.
yes.
Yeah, and the foreigners drunk. I'm not drink anyway. I'm not drink alcohol.
Yeah, that's haram on
Yeah,
here.
it's haram. Yeah,
Oh,
but
I
a
heard
lot
that.
of Muslim they drink here. Okay.
My friend is not drinking alcohol also.
Yeah. For like me, I'm not drink alcohol, but a lot of Muslim they do this kind of things. They drink alcohol. They do a lot of things.
They don't follow
Yeah,
Allah's.
they didn't follow the religion. Very good. You know, all of us we do the mistake. All of
Yes.
us. We in the end we are a human. And we do the mistake. That's between the person and between the God. I cannot judge him and you cannot judge me.
Yes.
Yeah, right. But if he do that, up to him. And when he drunk, he cannot know if this one bakla or not bakla.
Because it's transgender.
Yeah, that's the problem. When he drunk, he's bullshit.
There's a lady boy here got killed. There's a lady boy Philippines got killed by American soldier.
Yeah.
You know that on the news, Laude, Jennifer Laude, the transgender, he got shot by U.S. military. Yes, because the military men don't know that he's a trans woman.
Oh.
Once they got on the bed, he got knew that Jeffrey Laude is a transgender.
Yeah.
And he killed the bakla.
Oh.
Okay?
Yeah, I hear you. I hear something before 2 years, something like that here. One of my friend, he told me he was in the elevator here in the Citadel, okay? And someone, he's Saudi, old man, and he's very drunk at that
Then?
time. When he drunk, he brings someone to take him to his room,
Yes,
okay?
to have some fun.
Yeah, to have some fun. He's very old.
Oh.
When he go up, and my friend, he told him, listen,
Ah.
in Arabic, listen, this one you bring it's not girl, this is bakla. Just be careful. He said, no, don't worry. I know how can I adapt that. It's up to you. And my friend, he leave, and the old guy, he going to where up. When he go to up, the bakla, he's already with him. They not told him to give me the ID. They didn't say anything. When they go inside, the bakla have a gun. Have a gun. Take off. The bakla, he said for the old man, I want to fuck you. You're not gonna fuck me, I'm gonna fuck you. And he fuck him, the Bakla, he fucked the old man,
Yes.
the Arabic Saudi guy. He fucked him and he take a video and he collect all the money and he left.
Oh, but he did kill the old guy.
No, it was not killed, not killed.
He
Not
just
killed, I think.
scared it.
Yeah, scared him and he fucked him. This is the fucking big problem. And the Bakla, he fucked the guy. What the fuck? That's bullshit.
That's only 100 pesos, sir. 100 pesos.
This
Oh,
for you.
steep.
Yeah,
Okay. Thank you, sir.
thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
That's why always you should, man or the woman, take care. Anyway.
Man is for woman.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
You should to be careful about that. That's why.
Yes.
All right, be careful, bro. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.